How many of you believe money is the most important factor which decides the wealth for our life? Apart from the money, how many of you feel other aspects also to be understood when the point of wealth? If it is true, you are in a perfect place. Hi, this is Venkatesh here. I'm an engineer by background, and today, with the help of this YouTube channel, Peacefulness Hub, I am going to give you a lots of insights towards what is wealth is all about. Okay, and let's see with the help of this wonderful mind map. Okay, what is this wealth is all about? In life, we will be wealthy in lots of aspects of our life. For example, money is one of the criteria where it decides and which is the trademark of our wealth, right? At the same time, what kind of the house we live in, what kind of the vehicle we drive, and the which is the environment that we are living, and what kind of the social environment that we have, the kind of the friends we have, the type of the people we meet, and what is the activity we do on each and every day on a regular basis, and on a prioritizing the things we would like to do happily and peacefully. And these are all the aspects leads us to the wealthiest and a peaceful person in this life. Agree? Okay. In this mind map, I would like to explain it with the help of this mind map with these three concepts. That is, what is the money matrix? What is the important factor which consider to earning and spending the money? Okay, and what is the feeling about the money in terms of the wealth, and how to attract the wealth apart from the money? These are all the three important factors that we shall discuss. Okay, so what is this mind matrix? Is we should supposed to understand what is the money is all about. Money, it comes, and most of the time we spend. So what is the mindset we should supposed to have while earning the money, and while spending the money, and while managing the money? No doubt we are all can able to earn the money in so many aspects, like doing any kind of a job, adding value to the market, either in terms of a real estate, a stock market, a banking, and investing to some liquid funds and fixed income securities. Okay, at the same time, adding value to yourself. That's what I'm doing. Adding value to one of the services. Okay, and investing into the gold. Okay, with all these aspects we can able to earn the money, right? And the point is spending the money. After earning the money, we should supposed to spend it in a perfect manner. That is, spending money without the plan or with the plan. And at the end of the month, we know very well most of the people, they will struggle to have the money in their bank account. All this happens because of they may not be aware of the facts of how to spend the money in a proper way. Okay, after all earning sufficient money, and the factor to be understood is how to spend in a proper way and a strategic way, that we should try to understand. Okay, that I understood with one of my mentor. Okay, he explained it. We can easily spend in a beautiful way, that is in a TWCGO format. What is this TWCGO? And we know very well, whatever the earning we have, okay, whatever the amount we earn, that if we spend it in this criteria, that is first is T, is tax, and whatever the money we earn, that we should supposed to pay some certain amount of the percentage of the tax to the government. Okay, right? That is say about 30 to 40% of the amount. Why don't we keep it reserved in particular account, so that at the end of the 6 month or at the end of the year, that easily we can able to deposit to as a tax, right? Similarly, we can spend it for a wealth activities like assets, bonds, or any savings, and some insurances for our family and for our person or for any vehicle, right? Say about 30%. Say like this, if we can able to strategize our money for spending to a particular area, to a percentage, to a particular investments, we can easily lead to other activities like, that is the charity. And it is our, see, when we are earning some money, why don't we help to the people? Okay, sorry, when we are earning some money, when we are capable to help somebody, we can easily help it, right? Like doing a charity to a medical treatment to someone, and giving a charity to a health institutions, a spiritual well-being people, and to a food. Some NGOs are there, they spread food to the poor and those who are needy, and to an education purpose. Like that, if you can able to plan for our charity, say about 10%, we can also utilize our earnings in a other source also. And the fourth is the general expenditures like households, fuel, and entertainment that we need for our daily needs, our family, and for our entertainment for our family, for our quality time with our family. Like this we can able to strategize. We obviously, the whatever the money that we earn, that can be easily spent in a good manner. And whatever the business we do and whatever the earnings we do, ultimately we need some regular tools, equipments, and enhancing the infrastructures. So like this way, if we can able to strategize, obviously we have a money that can be utilized for a particular and a strategic need, right? Now, after earning the money and spending the money in a strategic way, we shall try to understand what is this peaceful money. It is all about our awareness. Awareness is what? Aware of our earnings while spending and managing the money, and we should, according to the spiritual aspects of the money, it is a energy. And money, whenever we think about the money, is what we think is about the number, right? Maybe, see, just imagine a money means what comes to your head or what comes to your mind. Just close your eyes and imagine it comes as a number, maybe in terms of any investment, maybe in terms of in your bank account, maybe in terms of a cash that what you are holding, maybe in terms of some income it is coming to you, some amount is coming to you through your paycheck, maybe in terms of any mobile notification. Like this, all that is a number. Okay, and what we accept, appreciate will grow as a number. Okay, that is according to the law of attraction. You might have seen one wonderful movie, that is a secret, that was released in the year 2004, it seems. Okay, it's according to the law of attraction. Whatever we accept and appreciate genuinely from our heart will grow in abundance. Okay, and what creates abundance? In heart, whatever the energy we have, and in heart, whatever the energy that we feel, each which creates the abundance. And what is the attitude for our any wealth or an abundance? While paying the money, what is the mindset and the attitude that we have? And while receiving the money and taking the money, what is the by what attitude we are receiving it? Okay, that we can explain it with the help of a mindset and the feelings with respect to the money, right? Okay, while spending the money, what is the attitude and the mindset we have? First is, are we really spending it on needs? Whether while we are spending it, are we spending it on a need basis? Are we thinking in terms of whether it is necessary or not necessary? Are we thinking it is whether it is affordable or not? And at the same time, how we feel while spending the money? While spending the money, are we thinking we have an abundance? Are we thinking we have a less? Or are we feeling we have secured? Or at the same time, are we feeling so much confident within ourselves for any spending? Confidence comes from the feeling of abundance that what we have in our heart and the mind, right? For example, while we are giving it to anybody, like a beggar, buying something in a grocery store, or paying any bills, are we feeling in abundance? Are we feeling in less? That is the mindset what we have, that all encounters to the abundance of our law of attraction or abundance of our wealth, right? Similarly, while receiving, that is taking, what is the mindset we have? While receiving the money, do we feel is in abundance? While receiving money, as if God itself is sending us? And are we feeling comfortable while receiving the money? And are we feeling humble? And humbles comes from the gratitude that what we have already. Okay, most of the time we get disturbed for the things which we don't have. But instead of that, think our mindset from negative to the positive way. Okay, that is the law of an attraction says. For example, by receiving any prize money, what is the mindset you have? While receiving any facilitation, what is the mindset you have? Are you accepting it genuinely, or are you simply accepting it without a mindset of not having it? And by receiving any gifts, are we feeling any greedy? For example, for any marriage function, you are presented to somebody. While we receiving the same thing from that person, are you expecting the same thing that what you given, or are you expecting the things that okay, whatever thing he has given, that is fine for me? It all depends upon the mindset that what we have in our mind and the heart. Okay, and please never beg for any reason. When you have all that abundance mindset, when we have that all the capacity to earn something, why don't you do something genuinely and earn it? So I think now it is already crossing near to the 15 minutes. I think next aspect we shall discuss in the next video with a continuation to the wealth. And with this, all this mindset regarding the spending the money and receiving the money, and let me explain to the conscious money also. What is this conscious money? Our conscious mind is how we feel. Are we feeling small? Are we feeling big? while receiving or spending the money. And the mindset of, are we feeling abundance, are we feeling ease, and with respect to the abundant and the both spending and receiving, what is the mindset we have? This is just like a money or any wealth, just like an energy. For example, if you think of electricity, okay, if I switch on this switch here, there the electricity bulb will going to bloom. If there is any resistance, it won't bloom, right? That means while when come to the abundance mindset, it is also similar to the like an energy. While receiving it, while spending it, and while we are earning it, and while we are investing it, in all those criteria, our mindset should not have any resistances. So that is one of the secrets of the law of attraction and the secrets of the spiritual science with respect to the wealth aspects. Okay, then action steps for while receiving the money, each time just mug this one word, just mug up this word, say it is a, I appreciate the flow of all the miracles into my life. Whenever we receive something, money or some wealth or some gift or some article or some gifts, some facilitation, always you just mug up and just have it in your conscious and subconscious mind. Say, I appreciate the flow of all the miracles into my life. At the same time, while spending also, I appreciate the large sum of money in my life to pay easily to this bill or this person or this gift or this fuel. So like that, when we cultivate the non-resistive attitudes in our mindset, easily this wealth will flow in a very easily, while receiving, also spending, and also getting any abundance. And appreciate the large sum of money in their hand today. This is, most of the time what we feel when we see some money in front of somebody's hand. We should feel that I appreciate the large sum of money in their hand today, and also I know God will bless me abundantly tomorrow into my life also. See, once we cultivate these kinds of mindset, our mindset towards achieving any kinds of the wealth will flow easily in all the aspects of our life. So with this, I will conclude this video. It is already crossed more than 50 minutes. And we shall see regarding the emotional wealth and the attraction of the wealth in the next video. And along with this video, I will be giving you the free gift of PDF guide, which shows you what is the thing that actually you can get with the help of this Peacefulness Hub. What actually you can able to, what all the information that you can able to get with the help of this Peacefulness Hub. To explain that, I have given you one free PDF guide, and at the same time I have given you one Calendly link, so that whenever I get a free time, I have given a slots of about 30 minutes, so that we can on online basis we shall interact each other, and we shall try to discuss how best that we can able to improvise these kinds of videos for our mankind tomorrow. Okay, with this, thank you so much for all your blessings to make these kinds of videos in the future. And also I sincerely, I need all your blessings to make these kinds of videos for the use of the mankind in the help of with the help of this peacefulness. Thank you so much for watching, and we shall see you in the next video. Thank you so much.